Nining Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi, one segment me Kwan Leb Acholi, session number 74, reading on the Ofirika clan. Today I will only be reading the introduction. I'm Jack Nanikanga Kot. Please make sure to like, comment, share, engage with the platform. Follow us on YouTube. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. Please make sure to follow us on Facebook, like, comment, share, engage with the platform. Send me a message or leave a comment under this video if you'd like to be a guest so we can discuss anything regarding the Acholi people, whether it's the Acholi people of present day South Sudan or the Acholi people of northern Uganda. And if you're from Ofirika, I'm just starting to read about Ofirika. I never knew there was a clan in the Acholi community called Ofirika or Ofirika. Okay, so I will be reading about your clan for the very first time and learning as much as I can. If I can't pronounce anything, please forgive me. Also, leave me a comment to correct me if I'm wrong. Anapuamatek. Okay. The past couple of days, I was concluding the reading on the Agoro clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Now I'm reading on the Ofirika clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. After I finish reading on Ofirika, I have one more clan to read about, which is Magui. Okay. Once I read Magui, I will find other chapters within this book to read. And then once I conclude reading this textbook, which is over 600 pages, I will look for the second edition if I can find it. If not, I'll look for other text on the Acholi culture, Acholi tribe, and the Acholi language. Okay. All right. Please make sure to like, comment, share, engage. Okay, so I'm going to jump right in now to start reading about the Ofirika clan. Okay. Today I'm just reading the introduction. After today, I will read each subsection regarding each subclan of the Ofirika people. I see that they have 6 subclans in Ofirika. So today I'll just read the introduction and I'll start reading on the first subclan tomorrow, which is Lomoling. Lomoling, you have 6 subclans, which is Lomoling, Lodulang, Tabor, Lochorak, Romorok, and Ire. Okay, I've heard of Ire, but I haven't heard of the other ones. Forgive my son; he's just very loud, and when he hears me, he cannot focus. He cannot sleep. Let me just finish up on the introduction today, and then we'll finish off tomorrow. Okay. Wachojo chone regarding gang mi Ofirika. Wachojo chone tie gang adek ma orumo gang mi Ofirika mana ye Lokoya gi malo north, Omeo gi Porocheng west, ka Magui gi piny south. Ochiro kwere wa Kunyango southeast, tekwar pacholi wajane wang lowo mi Ofirika gi Lokoya nyolo wai tie team Ngolek gi team Chukayo manduju team Ofirika. Wang lobo mi Ofirika gi Omeo tie team Ikola or Ikola gi team mi Kilaba manduju team Omeo. Ka wang lobo mi Ofirika gi Magui tie team Itele or Itele. Team Kabwari gi team Chukayo manduju team Ofirika. Okay. Yala ningo kid ma wabedo kaneno ne wi gang mokene. Wano nying gang mokene tie gi tiene. Mapuri bene pe wameda nying gi neno log mi te kwarpa jo Ofirika. Amira wa gam penya chiel ni Ofirika tien loke ango. Justine Obama gi Abraham Polino Atare mi Ofirika magin bene obero lo mi lok madung bora Gino wajo borani Ofirika tien lokene dana mio bere ikin gudi yario, god yario. Okay? Wan bene watamo ni lokman tie kakare. Tien dana mi Ofirika gi kwa ikin god fuka gi god okulu. Lo dira chuli mapul wajo borani Ofirika onongo tie dok od ma tidi ikin dok od mokene mi Acholi County. Will dano megi ma chulo muchoro imwaga macha onongo pe ok Mia Beach or 500. Okay? Check wachani ka will dano ma chulo muchoro igang mokeken pe romo Mia Beach munu pe mia bodgi ruot. Pien will dano ma chulo muchoro imwaga macha ilobo Ofirika pe ok Mia Beach pi Lokman oweho ikin moha mia par bongwan wi mia par bongwan gi piera ribe dek mono kwanyagin okero gini teloch par ruod Joseph ola mi magui. Okay? Kadok ningo tie moha mo achiel jo Ofirika obere piny ka nyamo lok. Gino moho tamni dana mi Ofirika dong pe twero mere gi beri teloch pa ruod magui. Chalo gin peke gi dano ma twero telo luak. Inge laro Lokman, luak mi Ofirika oyero ruot lakwat patege. Gino bene oyero dana beach. Ki dok od mapapat, weko konyo ko ruot ikare mi laro lok. Dano man obedo la bilo, labone, Barat Lokide, Apire, Gregorio Lochivilo, gi Lotiri Jil, gi Gumarach Lachien, dano nongoni ruot lakwat patigi petie gi twero duchu kidma rodi mi Acholi mokene tie kwede. Ite check pa local government. Ruot ka kwanyo muchoro gi bod dano en chulo lo tich mere gi chete mokene. Ka chete mokene ruot chwalo bod ruot county nyo jago. Ento ruot lakwat onongo pe tie gi twero mi chulo lo tich mere. Munu awajo bore ni en miero ochul rubia mi muchoro ma ojogo duju bod ruot Joseph ola. Watwero wajo iyo machek ni tich pa ruot lakwat onongo bedo mi jogo muchoro keken gi bodano mi Ofirika. Kari bet kidman anongo ni kero ruot lakwat ike oyelo wi jo Ofirika mada. Dwan wachni Joseph ola latin mi omeo en bene obedo ruot mi achiel mi magui. Okay? Ruot lakwat omaho dano mi Ofirika maber. Ka imoha apar bongwan gi piera rie webichiel ma okuma pa British ogwaro luak mi Ofirika kachiel gi tengo meo gi agor mokene otero gini dok gudi. Imoha man ruot lakwat patege onongo aye tie ike inge topa ruot lakwat luak mi Ofirika pe oyero ng'at mo weko make. Munu ma oneno kidman oduoko jo Ofirika ite loch pa ruot mi magui kidma yam chon. Nen chalo munu oduoko jo Ofirika ite loch pa ruot mi magui. Imwaka ma ruot Morino tie ike inge topa ruot Morino la dit lolia moy mi Ofirika ochamo ke. Ruot lolia moy obedo la Ofirika mi achiel ma omako kom ke pa ruot i magui. Rololia moi obero kaloidano duchumi magui o meo agoro gi Ofrika. Okay. Man bene nyuru borani wala nyuru borwani jo Afrika keken ma pe ober iteloch mi ruod mi magui. Jo meo gi agoro bene ober iteloch pa ruod mi magui. Okay. Karong ningo. Afrika kari betie gang matiri iloba chuli. Pori wanongo ni tiegi dok ot matino abichiel kidman. Lomuling, lodulong, labuo, bueno, tabuo, lochurak, romorok, well, romorok, ge iyire. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing all of these names correctly. Okay, so that's it on the introduction. We find that Ngani, Pinanogitiri, will to be knocked, they're less than 500 people. It's a small population. They didn't have the right to lead themselves. They were put under the leadership or the chiefdom of the Magui chief, um, including the Agoro people and the Omeo people. Okay, they were brought from where they were settled in, which mountain was it again? Got Fuka and got Okulu. Okeragini Gudi, where monitored and again to be monitored. They were a small population, and then they found that the chief that they elected themselves did not have any rights. Pegi Tuero, so they needed to go through the chief of Magui, who was collecting taxes, okay, as required by the British at the local government center in Torit. Okay. And a poem I take tomorrow, I will start reading on the very first subclan, which is Lomoling. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Lomoling. Um, and that's it about Ofirika. Okay, the introduction. Tomorrow I will read on Lomoling, followed by the other clans. And a poem I take. You guys have a good night. This is Chaka Leb Acholi. Uh, segment me, Kwan. Please make sure to like, comment, share, follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Engage with the platform on our Tech. Okay? Until tomorrow, have a good night and a good morning wherever you are. Tech.